Ready? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, I'm an IELTS examiner, and today I would like to ask some important questions. But before I go further, tell me about your name.
My full name is Shogle Matin, and I like to call by my name Matin.
Okay. Uh, do you work or study?
Currently, I'm not working. Actually, I was working for last 1.5 year, and I left my job in the July 2023. There were some personal reasons, like my paternal grandmother was critically sick, so I have to take care of her. So that's why I left my job.
I had to take care of.
Yeah, I
Yes,
had to take care of her, so that's why I left my job.
right. I would like to know about climate change. Do you think about climate change is a major problem in today's world?
Uh, well, let me think. Actually, I would like to answer this question as in today's world, as pollution, population, everything is affecting our environment. So, and we can see that personally, the immune system and the energy of individuals are being affected. So nowadays, it's been a trend that climate change is affecting people, causing a detrimental cause, like they're feeling sick and they're becoming ill. So I think it's climate change is affecting people.
Okay. Today I won't give you that much feedback. I'll just question answer. Okay. Have you taken any action to reduce your carbon footprint or climate change? Have you taken any action personally to reduce carbon footprint or carbon emissions?
Well, I personally